My hands are shaking, stifle my breath. You look so lovely, it scares me to death. I used to get so insecure with you as different. Yeah, just something about you makes me so sure. Don't know what it is, but you make me wanna stay. Take a leap of faith. I know that you're safe, I know that you'll save me. You'll be my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I fall. It's like my laces inside got me tripping right into your arms. Your arms. Headed straight down through the night clouds, so is my heart bounce 10,000 feet, but you're my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I know you got me.
Hi guys! Before we checked in at our Airbnb kasi 3 PM pa dapat, we strolled around Baguio muna and our first stop was Botanical Garden.
Okay, growing up I read books about enchanting bliss, falling head over heels, sealed by a true love's kiss. Embers in the air, flickers everywhere, a fire you just can't miss. Now the older I get, the more I reminisce. I want it sincerely, so I'm still daydreaming. I see it so clearly. If you're out there, come find me. When I fall in love, all the sparks will fly.
Nila, ito. Aakyat tayo. Papunta sa main house. Yan na naman si Sir. May sumusunod na hamog. Galing sa langit. Bumaba.
Tinignan ko pa katotoo.
Galing sa Kaya tayo. May fake grass. On your right, ito na yung main house. Pero dito, diretso tayo. Grabe yung fog dito. Medyo may ambon din. Maganda mag-picture dito sa morning, for sure. Ito, laki ng area.
In his eyes, all the sparks will fly. All the sparks will fly. All I want is to feel and believe that that one true love can get enough. Oh yeah, all I want is to know it, to grow it. It's true love, it'll be enough. Oh, listen in the pouring rain, but it's just like the movies, just like a fairy tale. If it's anything less, don't think that I'll ever be saying yes. When I fall in love.
Tayong fog.
Ano tayo sa mundo?
Sobrang foggy. Pasok tayo. And, gaalis lang ng shoes. Then may slippers dito. Ito yung sa left side. And, dito naman tayo sa right. Ito yung kitchen nila. Ito naman yung dining area. Ayan. Para loft style. Hi, Andre! Say hi! Wow! Okay, ito yung living area. Ayan. Silipin muna natin yung area na ito bago tayo umakyat. Then, unang room sa kanan. Wow! Wow! Tama natin. Ito ata yung master's bedroom. Ayan, dito naman tayo. Ito ata yung wow! Toilet and bath. Okay. Hello! Wow! Ito yung itsura guys kapag sunrise sa balcony ng master's bedroom. Ano masasabi niyo, madam?
Ay, ang ganda.
Ay, pwede lagyan ating outfit. Master. Kaya again, di pa rin ako nakaka-eat. Guys, Japanese toilet dito or automatic, whatever you call that. Yung bathtub. So, ayan, nabasa yung underwear ko. Bye!
A few moments later.
So guys, ayan, ito-testing na po ni Papa. Ito-testing na po yung Japanese toilet. Toilet bowl.
Paano mag-operate ito? Paano natin gagamitin?
Ay, remote.
Ha?
Kailangan nakaupo.
Kailangan umupo. Baka wala ng pantalon dyan. Kasi wag mo i-spray na yung tubig.
Ma-demonetize. Ayan, ito yung kanyang remote. Ito yung bedroom na dalawang queen beds. Turn on ko natin yung light. Okay. Nice. Ha? Ang spicy air pala yun. Kala. Okay. Let's go up. Ito yung loft area. Bed dito.
Go down. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. So that's it guys. Huling an overview. Bird's eye view. Aerial view. Ito yung CR sa taas guys. Wow. Oh, may hair dryer. Ito shower. May kasama na rin towel. Sana pala hindi na lang ako nagdala ng tuwalya. Puputok na yung bag ko dahil sa tuwalya. And meron din silang toiletries. Ayan. So, pag nag-check-in kayo dito, kahit damit nyo na lang yung dalhin nyo. Kompleto naman siya. Let's look at the playground. Grabe yung fog. Ito yung dirty kitchen, playground. Hi again, Andre. May fireplace. Chef?
Tingnan mo, imbis na papaganon ko siya, palagari. Pag ginanon mo, wala nangyayari. Hindi, pag diningin ko, ano na nangyari sa... Ano yan? French toast?
Nagmamartilyo pala.
Diba? Lagari na to guys. Yan, nasa release na naman ako ba?
Yung itsura ng Airbnb during sunset. Ganda. Papasok yung sunlight dito.
Dapat ni yung cellphone na ganyan ng hindi. Yan o, sa gitna. Diba?
Wow! Hello!
Waiting around for you to call back. pacing around my room and my dad. Crazy, crazy, I want you to know what you have against me. The city is not the place for us to be, 'cause I'm trying to figure out why you hate me. Was it something I did? Yeah, I don't need to offend. I'm just waiting, I'm just waiting. Because of all of the lies, yeah, you don't need to disguise your face, your face. I just want you to know that I